Are you ready?
I know a spot where the sun shines brighter. The view from the top makes you lose your breath. I stumble by just to get you closer. The way that you move, I'm a damn. Oh my, our B-side petrified is all I can do. Yeah, it's all I can do. Oh my, you got an airtight alibi. It's nothing new. You got me starstruck. Yeah, got me guessing, confessing it's trail. I can't control myself. Oh no, yeah, got me starstruck. Now I'm just waiting here. Won't you think about it? Think about it now. 2 weeks and lost count of the times my heart skipped a beat. You can read my mind, so take it all now. Break my fall now. I can't believe that you're looking this way. Oh my, I'm a B-side petrified. All I can do is all I can do. Oh my, you got an anti-alibi.
Every time I clean, Malachi does this. She lies down, cuddles a toy, and shakes the whole time I'm cleaning. And I don't know why. What are you doing this for? Hey? What are you doing? What are you shaking for? It's okay. Like, can you guys see how she's doing this right now? What? Oh, do you need a hug? Aww. I'm stressed out because Mom's cleaning. We're getting a futon. A love seat brought. And yes, we are. And yeah, I got that spot cleaned away for it. And she was just stood there shaking, looking sad as fuck. I'm only using this mugs for aesthetics because right now I'm going to wrap up Mom's gifts. Let's get to work. So by the time you guys see this, Mom will already have her gifts. So right now I'm going to wrap them up and I'll show you guys what I got her. It's not very much, but she wanted some tall candles, so I got her these, this ornament, and this, which is all stuff that I had give to me or I had gotten for free, basically, because this year we can't afford to do gifts. So I had this and I can't use it because it's lavender and Vanessa's allergic. I got this in some Christmas ornaments from the Goodwill. I paid 50 cents for a big bag full and this was in it. I got these candles at cleanup week last year and I got these I think either at cleanup week or Brittany and was throwing away old candles and they gave them to Vanessa. So this is where I got Mom's stuff and she knows it, so I'm not outing myself by telling her this. So I'm going to try and wrap this up now. Ollie. Ollie. Oliver. What do you think you're doing? You gonna hold shoot in the blanket? Oliver. Mom's for tonight and tomorrow night and the next day we're coming home. So we have one full day and tonight and a little bit of the next day. This is how much I have packed. Mine now, these pants are Vanessa's. Those totally aren't. I have 3 minutes of film footage left. These is Vanessa's. This is Vanessa's. And there's 2 shirts in there that are hers. But I think I overpacked. But I need it all. I do. I promise. Shut up. I do need it. Don't argue with me. Stop arguing. I can hear Vanessa already arguing. She didn't even watch the vlogs. So, yeah. There's a wee bit of a snowstorm, if you would like to call it that. On the go, and there are no tire trucks on our side of the road, so let's just wing it.
if anything comes behind me, I don't want them coming fast and nailing me.
Alright, so we'll keep you guys updated.